Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common Oracle error, ORA-01100, the database already mounted error. This error can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to start your database. We'll explore what causes this and, more importantly, how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, understand what the error means. ORA-01100 signals that you are attempting to mount a database that is already in the mounted state. This usually happens when the database instance is already running and associated with the database files. Now, let's look at the causes. One common cause is simply trying to start the database twice. Another reason could be a zombie Oracle process lingering in the background. This process might be holding the database lock, preventing a fresh mount. A third cause could be incorrect environment settings. The Oracle environment variables might be pointing to the wrong database instance or Oracle_home. So how do we fix it? First, check the database status. Use SQL Plus and connect as SISDBA. Issue the command select status from $instance. If the status is mounted or open, the database is already running, and you don't need to mount it again. If it shows started, then the instance is running but the database is not mounted. If that's the case, proceed to the next steps. Next, identify and kill zombie processes. Use the operating system commands like psef agrepmon to find any Oracle background processes, like pmon. Look for any unusual processes associated with the database instance that shouldn't be there. Once you identify a zombie process, use the kill command to terminate it. Be extremely careful and only kill processes you are sure are related to the problem. After killing any zombie processes, try mounting the database again. Connect to SQL Plus as SISDBA and issue the command alter database mount. If this works, you successfully resolved the issue. If it still fails, check your environment variables. Verify that your Oracle_home, Oracle_SID, and path variables are correctly set. Incorrect environment variables can lead to Oracle trying to connect to a different or non-existent instance. A simple way to check this is by echoing these variables using the echo command in your terminal, e.g., echo $Oracle_home. Another possible solution is to restart the Oracle instance. Shut down the database using SHUTDOWN IMMEDIATE, followed by startup. This ensures a clean startup and clears any lingering locks. If none of these solutions work, examine the alert log file. The alert log contains valuable information about errors and warnings that occurred during database operations. Look for entries related to mounting or startup to get more clues about the problem. The alert log location is specified by the background_dump_dest parameter. You can find this value by querying show parameter background_dump_dest in SQL Plus. Finally, if you're using Oracle Restart or Grid infrastructure, ensure that the resources are configured correctly. Incorrectly configured resources can lead to startup issues. Use the crsctl command to check the status of the Oracle resources and restart them if necessary. Remember to back up your database regularly. Having a recent backup allows you to restore your database to a working state if all else fails. That's it for today's troubleshooting guide on the ORA-01100 error. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel by leaving a comment or checking out the links in the description below. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.